Imagine stumbling upon a simple kitchen recipe that could transform your health, shield your heart, clear your arteries, and even help manage diabetes, all with ingredients you likely have sitting in your pantry right now. This isn't some far-fetched promise or a gimmicky health fad. It's a science-backed approach to wellness, centered around the humble red onion, paired with turmeric and olive oil, to create a dish so potent it's been dubbed a medicinal sauté. But before we unveil this game-changing recipe, let's take a journey through 15 incredible foods that work together to fortify your body against heart disease, diabetes, and high cholesterol. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They're everyday superfoods like kale, avocados, strawberries, and more, each packed with nutrients that purify your blood, restore blood vessel health, lower blood pressure, and stabilize blood sugar. By making small, intentional tweaks to your plate, you can prevent major health issues, reverse chronic conditions, and unlock a life brimming with vitality. Stick with me until the end, because the onion recipe, a fast, easy, and nearly instantaneous health booster, will be revealed as the grand finale, a gift to help you take charge of your heart, blood, and overall well-being. Let's start with kale, a leafy green that's nothing short of a nutritional powerhouse. Kale is your heart's best friend, loaded with soluble fiber that directly tackles bad cholesterol, one of the biggest threats to your arteries. This fiber also plays a starring role in diabetes management by preventing insulin spikes and keeping you full longer, which is a game changer for anyone looking to regulate blood sugar naturally. But kale's magic doesn't stop there. It's bursting with antioxidants like flavonoids and sulforaphane, which fight chronic inflammation, the silent culprit behind clogged arteries, heart attacks, and strokes. These compounds improve circulation and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disasters, often before you even know they're brewing. Kale's high vitamin K content is another ace up its sleeve, helping to control blood clotting and prevent plaque buildup in your arteries, making it a true ally for your cardiovascular system. Whether you toss it into salads, sauté it with garlic and olive oil, blend it into a morning detox smoothie with lemon and water, or add it to soups, kale's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Regular consumption, not massive quantities, is the key to unlocking its benefits, turning this affordable green into a lifelong investment in your health. For those with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, kale's fiber slows sugar absorption, protecting your pancreas and balancing your hormonal system so you avoid those energy-draining blood sugar swings. It's astounding how one vegetable can restore equilibrium to such complex internal processes, and yet kale does it effortlessly, proving that small dietary changes can yield massive results. Next up is the avocado, a creamy, nutrient-dense fruit that's a cornerstone of heart-healthy diets. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados boost good cholesterol while lowering the bad, striking a balance that keeps your arteries clean and your blood pressure stable. These healthy fats also reduce silent inflammation, a key driver of cardiovascular issues, making avocados a must-have for anyone looking to protect their heart. For diabetics, avocados are a godsend. They improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body process glucose more efficiently, which reduces strain on your pancreas and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Rich in potassium, avocados act as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure, which is critical for preventing heart attacks. Despite their calorie density, avocados are a weight loss ally, keeping hunger at bay and promoting satiety, thanks to their high fiber content. This fiber also supports gut health, feeding beneficial bacteria that boost immunity and reduce inflammation, proving that health truly starts in the gut. Whether you mash it into guacamole, blend it into smoothies, or slice it onto salads, avocados are as versatile as they are delicious. Just steer clear of sugary combinations. Pair them with organic ingredients like lemon or herbs to maximize their benefits. A small daily serving can transform your metabolic health, making avocados a functional food that's both practical and powerful. Now let's talk about strawberries, a sweet yet low glycemic fruit that's perfect for managing blood sugar without sacrificing flavor. Their fiber content aids digestion and regulates appetite, while antioxidants like anthocyanins shield your blood vessels from oxidative stress, a major contributor to heart disease and aging. Strawberries improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and even help lower blood pressure by widening blood vessels, making them a tiny but mighty ally for cardiovascular health. Packed with vitamin C, they strengthen immunity and support collagen production, keeping your skin and blood vessels resilient. For those with diabetes, strawberries are a dream. They don't spike blood sugar, thanks to their low glycemic index, and their fiber helps maintain metabolic balance. Enjoy them fresh in smoothies with oats or as a guilt-free dessert, but always opt for organic to avoid pesticide-heavy conventional berries. Their high water and fiber content also make them a weight loss-friendly choice, proving you can indulge in something delicious while still prioritizing your health. Strawberries show that taking care of your heart and blood sugar doesn't mean giving up on taste. It's about making smart, flavorful choices. Walnuts are another superstar, a true superfood for heart health and diabetes management. Loaded with omega-3 and monounsaturated fats, they lower cholesterol and reduce arterial inflammation, helping to clear plaque buildup that can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Walnuts are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that relaxes blood vessels, regulates blood pressure, and improves insulin sensitivity, crucial for anyone managing diabetes. Their selenium content acts as an antioxidant, fighting free radicals that damage cells and accelerate aging, particularly in your blood vessels. Walnuts' fiber slows carbohydrate digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and promoting fullness, which supports healthy weight management. Just a small handful daily can make a significant difference, whether you toss them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or snack on them raw. The beauty of walnuts lies in their simplicity. Something so small can offer such profound protection for your heart and metabolic health. Yams are a nutrient-dense tuber that deserves a spot on your plate. As a complex carbohydrate, they digest slowly, avoiding blood sugar spikes and providing steady, long-lasting energy. Perfect for diabetics or those with insulin resistance. Yams are packed with antioxidants like diasgenin, which reduce inflammation and improve circulation by protecting blood vessels. Their soluble fiber promotes fullness, aids digestion, and supports weight control, all of which are critical for heart health and glucose balance. Yams also contain vitamin B6, which supports hormonal balance, brain function, and mood regulation, making them a holistic food that nourishes both body and mind. Whether boiled, baked, or used in soups, salads, or fritters, yams are versatile and easy to incorporate, proving that simple ingredients can have a profound impact on your well-being. Garlic is nature's powerhouse, a tiny bulb with massive benefits for your heart and blood sugar. Its active compound, allicin, acts as a vasodilator, improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and reducing strain on your heart. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties keep arteries clear of plaque, while its natural antibiotic effects boost immunity and fight infections that exacerbate chronic conditions. For diabetics, garlic enhances insulin sensitivity, helping sugar enter cells more effectively, which is a game changer for managing insulin resistance. It also lowers cholesterol and triglycerides, tackling two major risk factors for heart disease. Crush it. Let it sit for a few minutes to activate its compounds. Then add it to soups, sautés, or infusions for maximum impact. Garlic's versatility and potent effects make it a staple for anyone serious about their health. Apples, especially with the skin on, are a simple yet powerful fruit for heart and blood sugar health. Their pectin, a soluble fiber, forms a gel in your gut that slows sugar and fat absorption, regulating blood sugar and cholesterol. The skin's flavonoids, like quercetin, act as antioxidants, reducing inflammation and protecting blood vessels from oxidative stress, which helps prevent heart attacks and strokes. Apples also combat insulin resistance, promote satiety, and support gut health, making them a cornerstone of metabolic wellness. Eat them raw, in salads, or baked without sugar, always organic and with the skin for maximum benefits. Their accessibility and versatility make apples a no-brainer for daily health maintenance. Broccoli is a doctor-approved vegetable that's a must for heart and metabolic health. Its sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant, detoxifies the blood and protects artery walls from inflammatory damage, reducing the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular issues. Broccoli's fiber slows sugar absorption, making it ideal for blood sugar control, while its vitamins K and C support blood clotting, immunity, and vessel integrity. Low in calories but high in nutrients, broccoli boosts metabolism and even reduces cancer risk. Steam it, saute it, or toss it into dishes. Just cook it lightly to preserve its nutrients. Broccoli is proof that a single vegetable can be both nutrient-dense and therapeutic. Oranges, when eaten with their pulp, are a citrus powerhouse.